Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a Shein Curve swimsuit haul. Everything from 1 pieces to 2 pieces to 3 pieces. Yeah, if you've never been here before, I link everything below the video. Hey besties, welcome back to another episode of Styling Curves. If you've never been here before, I create content for fashion, beauty, and lifestyle for curvy boss babes. So if that's your deal and you enjoy that, you might want to hit that sub button and hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Today, I'm going to be bringing you guys a Shein Curve swimsuit haul. Everything from 1 pieces to 2 pieces to 3 pieces. Yeah, that's weird. I know, but you're going to understand in a minute. Now, I know what you're going to say. Wait a second. Isn't summer almost over? No, we have almost a month left. Almost a month left. And if you're somewhere like on the East Coast or the West Coast like I am, we can wear swimsuits all year long. So swimsuit is almost like a staple item. And everything's on sale right now. So if you're in a place that's going to turn cold, like in a month or so, guess what? You could buy a suit for really inexpensive right now because everything's starting to go on sale for the fall season. And you'd be ready for next year, or if you go on vacation. Quick disclosure, I am a Shein affiliate, Shein partner. I am a Shein gal. You will see me modeling on their website and their app, and they did gift me all these items. I buy from them all the time outside of our partnerships, and this swimsuit haul did not disappoint. Oh yeah, and then they didn't gift me these. I actually bought these in another one of my purchases. I just made another purchase today, and I think I made one like 3 days ago. Okay, I'm like addicted to Shein. Anyway, I got these. How cute are these? These little lips, huh? I'll link these below the video. If you've never been here before, I link everything below the video. So if you want to go shopping, you can go check it out. I have all my measurements below the video. Yeah, and all my socials, my website, stylingcurves.com. You can find me at stylingcurves pretty much anywhere. All right, let's get into it. I got a 3-piece. What's a 3-piece, you ask? I'm glad you asked. Okay, so a 3-piece is a 2-piece bikini plus a coordinating matching skirt, which I was like, fantastic. Like, can it get any better than that? I mean, it's like, boom, you can literally go out, go to the beach, go to lunch, you are set. You are like hooked up, versatility all the way around. Okay, so let's look at the print of this baby. Let me throw the skirt here over my shoulder to show you guys it's not cooperating. All right, let's see if we got these. Okay, I think the ruffles are, when you're wearing it, the ruffles don't turn in, but as I'm trying to show it to you, it's like going rogue. Okay, so this is the top. I love the ruffles and the tie. Not adjustable in the back, so just be aware of that, but it fit me fantastic. And because you tie it in the front, you can actually take up some of the like cinching in between your bust area by just tying it tighter or looser. But really cute with the ruffles on top, just so different than anything I've ever seen. I love that detailing. The bottoms, again, the style that I like, more high cut. What'd I order this in? 2X, true to size. Super vibrant. But let's talk about the fantastic skirt that came with it. Suit's phenomenal. Okay, but like, let's check out this awesome skirt. Okay, so the skirt is the same material, or same print, I should say, except for in a mesh sheer. And it all, the 3 pieces come together, and it's like inexpensive, which I couldn't believe. I'm like, how could they do 3 pieces? But they did 3 pieces. Okay, so here you go. So the back of the skirt is just straight down, right? But in the front, they did this fantastic design where it's got splits going up to the waist. So when you walk, it's like you're covered, but then it's also sexy and just cute and trendy, and so I really love that. Next one I got was this beautiful tropical print. Can you just see how gorgeous this print is? I love this. It's so different for a 1-piece. So it ties in the middle, and it has a V-neck, but then it has these really cute flowy sleeves. You could totally throw on a pair of shorts and people would think that you were wearing a really nice shirt. It's so cute. This came in, gosh, I want to say it came in like 3 or 4 different colors, but it was so, so pretty on. And it was just such, I don't know, just it looked different than what I normally see in swimwear. Again, I ordered this in a 2X, so true to size for me. And I felt like it had great coverage in the front and great coverage in the booty also. You know how sometimes like it can go rogue. I have a big badunkadunk, so like sometimes the booty just does not cover my goods. But this one I felt like was really good, and I just absolutely love that delicate print. This is a 2-piece. Well, I almost said black and white. I don't know why. It's obviously blue and white. Okay, this is so cute on. I love how it ties at the neck, but then you have this rear closure with a clasp. Because everybody knows when you got some big ladies here that, you know, big girls, you got to have some extra support. I love that it's got this Dalmatian print, and then it's got the bow in between the bust. Lots of support here because you've got underwire. Thank goodness, because it's hard to swim and do different things when you don't have support. Really love this on. And then I will say I like a high cut leg and a low cut front. Just because the way I'm configured, I know what I feel comfortable in and what I like. So that's what I ordered. In this, I ordered a 2X, so true to size. Back into the 2 pieces again. I love Hawaii, and I'm from Cali, so I love palm trees. I love tropical themes, all that. So this one just looks so Hawaiian to me. I love the way the top is. Now this one, no underwire, but there are some really nice pads in here to cover up so when you're cold, you can't see through the front. I like that it ties on the halter, but then it also ties in the back for extra security, and that is helpful. On the bottoms, these, just like the blue ones, have really cute side ties, and you can actually adjust them. Again, these are a pretty high cut on the leg and low in the front. So if you don't like that, that might not be the suit for you, unless you want to wear it with like a skirt or something like that. I love bottoms like this, so I tend to order them. And then, like I said, the back, a little bit smaller. So if you have a big badunkadunk like me, you just need to be cognizant that this is cut up a little high. So if you want to show a little cheek and be cheeky, that's what's going to happen in this suit. But isn't that print just gorge? Look at that tropical flower. This one piece was so gorgeous. Let me go close so you can actually see the print. Okay, you know how when you see stuff on a website and you're like, oh my gosh, that color's so pretty, but then you wonder, oh, when it comes in the mail, is it gonna be like all dull and not be the colors of the website? No, this one's actually that bright. Actually, they're all as bright as the website. The colors are like true to the pictures on the website, at least in my experience on the ones I ordered. This came and I was like, man, that's stunning. It looks expensive and elegant. So look at the details on this. I mean, for an inexpensive suit under like 20 bucks, this is insane. So you've got the molded cups with the contrasting trim, really beautiful, elegant fabric. Underwire, and then you've got a thick pad. Not so thick that it's gonna like be way too bulky, but thick enough to give you some support and no see-through, because the front has got that white in a lot of places, and when you get wet you don't want to show through. Then on the back they thought of everything. They even did the adjustable straps, which I love. That's so convenient. And then it just comes up. Now what is fantastic as just a cute little added bonus is this belt that goes across with this contrasting matte metal. This thing looks so elegant on. You would think this is like a $70 or $80 suit. It's stunning, stunning. The colors are just super regal. The design is just gorgeous. This could rival expensive suits side by side without anybody knowing the difference. I loved all the suits, but this one particularly just like made me smile. They all made me smile, but this one, I was like, I love this one. This one was really cute for a one piece especially too. Also got this purse. I think I showed you guys this in another video, but this looks so cute together with beach stuff as well. And it holds so many things, like put your snacks in here, your phone, your wallet. It all fits. I was surprised how much this little sucker fit, but perfect for swim season, and you can carry it into fall as well. All right, besties, I can't wait to hear which ones were your favorite, which ones were like, meh. I want to know, like, what type of swimsuits did you buy this season? As always, all my links are below the video. All my socials at Styling Curves. You can find me at stylingcurves.com. Blasey blah. You know the drill. As always, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.